Good morning. It is a beautiful morning.
Yes, indeed.
I am headed to my pine tree. It is Friday, and Fridays is Love Day. Happy Love Day. Man, if only we could just stop 5 times a day and kiss
Just fine.
and make some love. Man, wouldn't the world be amazing? I know. Hello.
Yes.
16 years here. We approaching year 17, y'all. I'm 49 and he is 50, and we is approaching year 17. Imagine that.
Imagine that.
Year 17. Yeah, have a happy day.